Hey YouTube, Berry Hill Barbecue here, about to bring you a $15 bag of 30-pound lump from charcoal. Will it live up to expectations? Do we have any expectations? We'll see. Barbecue here. I want to show you some new charcoal I picked up for the cheap this year for the 4th of July holiday. Ended up grabbing it at Walmart. It's Expert Grill. Doesn't usually have, for the best quality in my opinion, but we're gonna see how it looks. This is a really good deal at 30 pounds for $15. It reminds me of, like, I think 2 years ago or so, they had a Western lump deal of 30 pounds of Western lump for about 15 bucks. It's disappeared last year, as did a lot of other charcoal deals, and this year it came back, but it came back in the form of Expert Grill. I'm pretty sure this is a Royal Oak product. Hopefully it's better than the red bag Royal Oak I've gotten recently. And yeah, I'm gonna compare it to some of this Kingsford charcoal as like a baseline. So yeah, join me here and we'll look at it and see if this is worth your time. Alright, we're gonna open this bag of charcoal and give it a look inside. I've already messed up this, the thing, the string that normally comes out. I'd say 1 in every 10 bags I can get it, and every time I think I understand it or go watch a video and then try to do it, it just doesn't work out. So, except for that one magical time in 10, then it's nice. So I'm gonna save myself the embarrassment of trying to do that. And if you have tips, please leave them in the comments. Yeah, it doesn't look half bad. All right. So before we open this up, get you guys over here, just drop it down. Not a big deal. Yeah. I get some improved lighting on this here in a sec. This is not bad at all. There's some really big chunks in there. I'll be impressed if all the bags are this way. This is one of 4 I purchased stupidly before opening it, but I think I'm gonna go back and load up because they're half this good. It looks great, and probably best to get them early when they're first on the floor before people have had a chance to toss them around and do whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna grab some of these out and we'll take a look. Chunks. Definitely not what I was expecting out of this bag. Not bad at all. I get some Kingsford out so we can compare. Just as a reference, not that obviously this isn't a comparable product in the sense that it is not also lump charcoal. I don't know if you ever tried Kingsford lump charcoal. That's weird and not what I would consider lump charcoal. But yeah, since everyone generally has access to this, good comparison to have. And there's our blue bag right there. What everyone's used to. These are very nice sized chunks. I don't know if you can see that very well or not. Get some good lighting on it. We can move these forward a bit. Bring this in the scene. I'm genuinely impressed by the quality of this, and I think I'll be going back for more. I like to load up around July 4th, and sometimes Labor Day has decent sales. They disappeared last year with you-know-what, and are seemingly back this year. There's a little bit of unburnt material, so that's maybe one downside, but you'd be hard-pressed to find a bag of charcoal that doesn't have some stuff in there that you don't want, unfortunately, these days. Yeah, this is great. I'm going to use this in my Masterbuilt 560 and then my my Weber kettle at home when I'm trying to do some sears. Also, I actually really like this stuff in the Battle Box, so it's going to go great. Yeah, if all of this charcoal is this good, we are in luck. So $15, not bad. I think this is not a bad buy from Walmart if you have the opportunity to go out there. They also had some deals or slightly slight markdowns on the double bags of Kingsford, and I think their individual bags are marked down too. But yeah, this Expert Grill, surprisingly good. One last comparison I forgot to do before I started throwing some of this in my grill. So I'll pull some more pieces out. top gun. So difference in size, you know, they're not all massive. And well, this bag's almost empty. Probably hard to see there, but the rest of it's in here. And yeah, you know, respectable pieces for the Fogo. It's a good charcoal. I don't have any problem with it. But there is a substantial difference in the size of these guys. Not much a difference in density. But yeah, from the Fogo black bag, which is this is the first time I've used it. It's been a really good charcoal. I'm really impressed with it. They have a fairly consistent sizing with the charcoal in the bag. It's not too tiny. There's some Royal Oak over here I can pull out. It's all just shards, like a third of the bag, or maybe even more than a third of the bag were slivers. Really good for this 30-pound bag at $15. So hopefully you can hit up your Walmart nearby and grab some for yourself and try it out in the near future.